everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to a daily deal. This daily deal is awesome and I know you guys are going to absolutely love it. So just wait till you see the gifts that I have right over here. I can't wait to dig on in. I put a lot of time and love into these, the most three recent upholstery fabric packs that I have put together here. These are awesome for junk journal covers, especially with the, not only the upholstery, but with the tapestry fabrics as well. Nice and thick and durable for soft cover, or if you want to line it, you could do both. But there's four different varieties in each pack. You either do the beautiful colorful one for an outside and put another one for the inside, or just four different covers kind of thing. Each pack will come with a pack of swatches, a beautiful vintage button, a corsage pin, and a nice piece of trim. So you'll see each of the new packs that I have here for you. I am also going to show you the older packs that I still have more of in my Etsy shop. Reason why is I had made so many, so a lot of people have purchased them. I just have some extras in case you're needing more for your project. Today, these packs are $8. It's unbelievable price as it is. I do have gift with certain purchases, so if this is the best part of it all. If you buy one pack, my gift today is going to be this. This is one pack per purchase. Is going to get this. So what you have in this pack is going to be a spool of pearl pins. That's great for your craft project. You're going to get a French label that is a seed pack label. That's from the 20s, which is absolutely beautiful. You're going to get a 25 pack of the vintage trading stamps, which is blue chip. You're going to get 4 coat check tickets, which is really awesome about coat check tickets. It's in three different sections that you can take it apart or use it like a tag in a journal, and then you can tie a little whatever thing through that little hole. You'll also get a library card, and then you'll get 30 of the green trader stamps. For those who know, they are awesome. So check that out. That is just an awesome gift. An awesome gift with purchase, and I hope you get a pack today. Now, if you buy 2 or more packs today, you will not only get this free gift that I have here in your pack. If you buy 2 or more packs today in your one single purchase, you'll be getting a pack of vintage buttons. It's just a random pack of different colors, styles, and themes. Not one is the same. And they're around 4 ounces, so it's like a quarter of a pound. So you're going to get these 2 awesome things along with the 2 purchases that you have. Now, if you buy 4 packs or more, you're going to get this here in this pack. You're going to get the buttons, but I'm also going to be giving away the fall-themed journal cover packs that I have here. They're not for sale. These are the packs that are part of the giveaway today. You get the 4 journal covers, which I'll show here in a minute, a really cool button, corsage pin, and in this pack I had added a zipper. I know the glare of the packaging I'll open up here in a second, so no worries. The zipper is awesome because it is the perfect size for if you're going to put a pocket in this one of the covers kind of thing. It's great to try. I love the fact that it can be sewn on. You can actually put your needle through the zipper part without your needle breaking, which is awesome. So you'll get these 3 gifts if you buy 4 or more. You'll get the buttons and these if you buy 2 or more. If you only buy 1 pack, hey, you can't beat the deal with this cool pack here. And I just can't wait till you guys get all of them, which is, I hope you do buy 4 more. Either way, some people can't afford that. I totally understand. But mind you, these are only $8 a pack, and which is an awesome deal. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you the newest packs that I have available here for you guys. Starting with this one here. It's going to sound kind of crackly. Before I do that, kind of matches this. Look at this cool bracelet here. I got this, and I'm just going to tell you guys here in a sec, is Sheryl. Those who know Sheryl, our friend here on YouTube, she has live sales, and she sells these beautiful bracelets. It's so awesome. It's like Paparazzi jewelry or something like that. And everything is $5. So I'm going to put her link down below as well, guys, if you want to check out her live sales. And not only that, she has like different videos to where you can actually get some necklaces and bracelets and things like that. She's got a webpage and everything to check out what you can buy without waiting for a live sale. Because I know not everyone is for live sales. $5, you can't beat beautiful jewelry, especially if you're going to get things ready for the holidays kind of thing. All right, so this is all that you see here is already in the Etsy shop. If you're wanting one of these packs or be part of this daily deal, which mind you, the daily deal is exactly that. It's just for today. I am not doing this tomorrow. This is only, the free gifts are only for today only. And I'm going to open up the 3 newest packs, and then I'm going to, show you guys some of the older packs that I have in the shop as well if you want a certain variety. As you can see, the backdrop already is the same fabric of one of these upholstery fabrics here. You'll see when you first open up your pack, you're going to get a beautiful little display of different upholstery pieces. I don't waste anything. So I figured these swatches would be awesome for whatever your project is for layering or whatever. Each pack will have a vintage button, which you won't be disappointed. There's so many beautiful buttons in each pack. You'll get a 10.5-inch piece of vintage woven trim in this pack, that is. And then each junk journal cover is 10.5 by 14.5. And you'll get a beautiful pieces exactly like this here. They're, like I said, they're just thick, beautiful, awesome to sew with. You already know this pattern. And then you'll get this one in this pack. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't the inside is gold. See how that goes so well together with all the other ones? If you want the gold side, if you want this creamy side here, you have options. And then you have this color here, which totally brings in the burgundies and all those other pieces that you see in this whole display. So I love making these packs because I can kind of like, even though I don't get to do a whole lot of crafty things, at least I can have fun and put these things together artsy, for you guys. I kind of help put some of the thinking part down for you guys, and you have some idea of how to put together some kind of pack with a theme without spending a bunch of money going to the store and buying a half yard of this or a yard of that. This will save you money. It's only $8. It's all put together there. And again, if you buy just one pack, you're getting this for free. I mean, totally, you can't beat it, right? Especially those French labels are awesome. So, and you can't beat a spool of needles. So, okay, let's go on to the second one really quick. I'm going to press pause here. Okay guys, here is the second pack. I'm absolutely in love with this one. This is probably one of my favorites, probably because I absolutely love Victorian. I love the creams and the mints and stuff like that. And I just love buttons. As you guys can see in my Etsy shop, I have been putting in a bunch of different types of buttons and things like that. Totally broken into a stash that I absolutely love. Just beautiful. Check that out too, just in case you want some buttons. There's some really cool ones I put together for you guys in packs. This comes with like a different type of like military style or some kind of gold metal type of button you'll get on every pack. With the corsage pen, of course, you got the upholstery swatches that are exactly the same fabrics that are in this pack, which is awesome. So this pack, this style, has this kind of like fringy type of trim. So I've seen a lot of you guys have this trim in your cart, and I can actually help you out there. So it's perfect for like you could probably do a pocket if you want to, like a belly band, either that way or this way inside your project, which is so cool. It's just so beautiful. And then again, you already know the sizes of each one in this pack, so you kind of have an idea. This is the main pattern in the beginning of this pack. You've already seen this one here. This one here is awesome because you can go either way on your side. You got this beautiful, totally just reminds me of Victorian or garden, but look at the other side. Isn't that cool or what? It just kind of pops out. It's just absolutely gorgeous, no matter which side you do. And then I brought in the leaves, which you can maybe use for like a fall garden or whatever. But it did look really well with this because it brought out the darker tints of what is going on in here. I know the new camera I have makes this look a little bit darker than it actually is. I'm trying to change my settings so then I can kind of have an idea on how to adjust my camera. This one looks pretty dark on camera. I'm looking back now at the camera and it looks kind of darker. It's really not. It looks really close to the dark leaves that are in this here. So, all right, let's go to the next pack for you guys. Let me press pause. Okay guys, here we go. Here's the third pack I have for you. This one is totally garden. Comes with obviously a beautiful button that's going to be in the blue colors. Same swatches that are exactly that's in this pack. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Of course, I love this fabric right here. As you can tell, I put it in a couple of these packs for a reason. It's just something, it's so neutral and beautiful. Then you get this woven fringy kind of trim, same size, 10.5, so you can go either way on your project and still have enough for snippets if you're going that way, or belly band, whatever you're going to do for your project. It's awesome. So this is the main print you got here. It's a garden theme with some butterflies and flowers. It's just beautiful. It just reminds me of a nice tablecloth. It's gorgeous. Of course, you got the gingham, which is a green with slight yellow in it, which the yellow matches so well with this. I don't know if I can kind of show you. I'm learning this new camera. I'm trying to adjust the zoom and learn how to, I need to do my settings on this zoom as well. This is kind of probably looking kind of silly on your guys' view. I'm sorry. I got to work on that zoom. All this new technology and stuff, I'm telling you, I'm learning though, and I'm so proud of myself. It takes time. Okay, and then the other print you get is this beautiful paisley floral. It's like floral and paisley fashion. It's just beautiful. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It goes so well with everything. It brings out the blues that we got going on here. All right, let me put this aside really quick, and then I will show you the other packs that we already have in the shop that I've showed you guys before. I mean, I had like 40 of these packs, and I think I only have like maybe 10 left. But it's the same thing. It's beautiful garden. You got the beautiful floral and things like that. It's just beautiful. We have those still left in the Etsy shop. And those who are looking for the darker tones for the like boho and stuff like that, this one comes with embroidery floss and tassels. Whew, the lighting on that one in the zoom. Sorry, I apologize, guys. And then it comes with like the more burgundy dark colors and tones. And then this one is the last one of this style in the Etsy shop. The tapestry ones seem to go pretty fast. So this one here has got like the floral tapestry going on here. It's just gorgeous. This pack is the last one. But the free gift that you get if you buy 4 or more is this pack here. And I'll quickly open it up. It is totally fall. I kept it pretty simple because my main goal for this pack was to do the zipper. The zipper is awesome. It is easy to work with. Like I said, it's got the plastic here, so when you put your needle over, it's a no break on your needle, which is awesome. So there's so many tutorials on how to use a zipper, but this is awesome for a pocket. When you put it on kind of thing, it's just awesome. If I don't get a chance, I'm sure on YouTube you can find tutorials on how to sew in zippers. It's really cool. So I got that for you. And then these swatch packs in this pack are pretty rather larger than the other ones. And then each pack will have a really cool vintage buttons, either wooden like this, which this is so cool for a button for those who get this kind of button. I think I have like 10 or 20 of these kind here, either this color or in black. And it's got this hook, but wouldn't it be cool to use this as a closure on one of your journals? I'll make sure that most of them have this. And if you really get the free pack, message me if you really want that one with that kind of button. It's actually rather cool. It'd be a cool closure. And then this fall pack is really neat. You got the fall colors and everything, right? But if you turn the other side, you got, if you want to go towards the burgundy or darker colors, you have that. I'm looking at my camera. I'm so need to work on that zoom. I got to ask my daughter. I need to look and see how to adjust the zoom so it's not making your eyes go kind of crazy, guys. Me and my zoom. That's one thing I do need to work on all the time. My goodness. All right, so then you have this beautiful color, which also goes well with this for a liner if you wanted to. But could you imagine putting in a zipper, on the inside of that cover? Like this is the outside, this is the inside of your junk journal cover, and you can do some kind of zipper, to zip in, whatever your pouch is going to be. This would be so cool. That's what brought in the zipper in this one. And then you got the browns, would be an also inside liner as well, and this is really cool. Hope my zoom's not going to go nuts when I open this guy up. Oh my goodness, I think it did, didn't it? All right. So this one here, I don't know if it shows it. It is a green. But as you turn it, look, you guys see like the wood. This looks so woodsy. My goodness. I totally need to work that zoom. Isn't that cool? All right. So that is the free gift if you buy 4 or more in your purchase. And so like I said, this here is what you get if you buy 4 or more packs today. what a free gift, right, guys? There's a lot of stuff here to work with for your projects. I hope you guys go ahead and grab them while they last, and I can't wait to see what you guys get and what you do with them. So thank you guys for watching A Daily Deal, and I hope that this helps you out with your projects. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.